job 10 here, and first thing you're going to have to do is answer those questions on your worksheet. After that, you're going to be making this spreadsheet here. So I've already made it for you. You should be able to do that, but now there's a couple of things that we need to do starting off with making total columns for one going down here and one going across here. So we'll start by making a total column, and now we have a couple ways to do it. Of course, we can highlight and do auto sum, but if we're feeling a little crazy, we could also just actually write our own formula using sum, putting a bracket, highlighting the data we want to add up, hitting enter, and it gives us the exact same thing, of course. Okay, so whatever you would prefer. We're going to drag that all the way down, and now we've created the sum in this row, sum in that row, and we're good. So we're also going to make a total column here, and we're going to do the same thing, and now I'll just use the auto sum feature to make it nice and quick. And I'm going to drag that fill handle over, just like always, to duplicate that formula. And I'm actually going to go all the way over to this total column so I get a grand total of how much I'm spending. Perfect. So that looks good. I've totaled all the columns and the rows. Next thing it asks me to do is merge and center this. So now I'm going to have to merge and center it over this total column as well. It says make it size 14. Perfect. Next step is to center and underline all of our column headings. So I'm going to center them, and then I'm going to underline them. Looks good. And then it says this is dealing with money, so we need to format our numbers appropriately. So our total columns are going to all have dollar signs, and our first row is all going to have dollar signs. And then everything else is just going to be in our comma format. So we are good to go there, and that is job 10 completed.